everybody, I'm Peg Maloney from Remax Real Estate Group, and I'm here with my good friend Julie Hudkins from First Nebraska Title and Escrow. I think it's pretty important that people understand about title insurance and the role that it plays in any kind of real estate transaction, be it buying, selling, refinancing is very important also. So Julie, tell us, why is it so important?
Well, as a buyer, owner's title insurance is very important. It's going to cover you against any unforeseen circumstances arising, such as easements, protective covenants, things that are out there against the property that you might not be aware of.
Liens.
Especially. Yes,
yeah.
Especially liens. You can, as a title company, we actually look to protect you in advance. So we go and search the property, searching for things that are out there from years past, perhaps, that might have occurred against the property or the prior owners that would affect the new buyer. Things with the land and also things against the property owners, liens that attach to the property owners.
Yeah, child support,
exactly.
Alimony, all those
types of judgments.
IRS things.
Right.
Yeah, all those good things, yeah. So
HOA
everybody
dues,
should get it.
judgment liens, right.
Yeah.
Everybody needs title insurance on
Even
that.
if you're buying land without a house on it.
Correct.
Yeah. And especially foreclosed homes.
Right. There are many things that can arise and be out there that really could affect the property, particularly in cases of foreclosure.
Tell me the difference between a basic policy and an expanded property, which a lot of people really recommend when you buy a foreclosed property.
Right. The homeowner's policy of title insurance will cover you more effectively in post-closing situations. Things like protective covenant violations, something the seller might not have even been aware of. Perhaps, for example, putting the wrong type of shingle on the home that violates the protective covenants that the new buyer would not know about. Zoning violations, building permit issues. Things like even if you are the new buyer and you want to deed that property for estate planning purposes into a trust, that would not be covered under the basic policy. And many people don't know that. But getting the homeowner's policy for title will cover that.
Now, my understanding is that some of the banks have the right to not share some liens. Is that correct? And that's why the expanded policy would be better protection?
I'm not aware of that specific circumstance.
See, I got wrong information.
However, it can also protect the lender. So if the new buyer gets the expanded coverage, it's also then available to the lender. And that's beneficial for the lender as well, because many times the lender's not going to be aware of things and circumstances against the property that we can't search at the public record either to know someone built against and didn't have a building permit, for example.
Yeah.
Where the lender could be also protected in those circumstances.
So should you get it if you've owned the house for many years and you're going to refinance?
Refinancing situations, you probably were, if you were the owner for many years, you probably are aware of those circumstances. You probably have made the improvements. If you don't know whether your shed sits over the property line, those are the type of circumstances that this would also cover. So that would be up to the customer.
I hope that's helped you all. Be sure and contact Julie at First Nebraska Title and Escrow for all your title and escrow needs, and me for your real estate needs. Have a great day.